I'm a screamer. That's my problem. And it's embarrassing. Early in the morning, I'll wake up shrieking at the top of my lungs.
Excuse me, sir. The security police are here, and they're surrounding the house. When will you be wanting lunch?
Miles, go to the Western District.
Find the Ares Project.
You can do it.
Out that way, Miles.
Flying packs.
We still haven't located Alien. We'd like to check the back of your van.
All right, come on, let's go. Move it out. Let's go. I don't have all day. Come on, come on. There's your new home.
Oh, no. Is this the best they could offer? Oh, geez, I'd hope for something with at least decent features. Oh, well, I guess I'll bring you in next week and have your head removed. Okay, come on. Come on. What's your name?
Milo.
The alien authorities are seeking is still at large. Persons observing any unusual activity or behavior should do themselves and our leader a favor by reporting it to the police immediately.
All right, Milo. Listen, I'm expecting company any minute now. You'll help with the drinks and serve. I'm sure some of them will be hungry. The kitchen is on a single circuit system. I think I'm going to put some rose oil on my fingertips. Check the music channel and regulate the aromatron. And make sure there's plenty of food for all the people. All right.
I think the way it was first explained to me was that, you know, you have to put down on the set. Oh, which one? You said yesterday. Remember that very funny story?
Hi, everyone. Long time no see. Come right on in.
I want you to tell me.
Did you get that? It's gorgeous. Oh, it's fantastic. How are you, darling? Great.
Harold, it's wonderful. Oh, you shouldn't have really.
I just thought you'd like it.
Oh, it's keen. It's pure keen. No, it's greater than keen. It's Cugat.
But she had it was white on white, and you know where she got it. You know, right. And you know who paid for it?
That's you're my most bizarre, utterly fantastic.
It's magnificent. Oh, my goodness. Let's go tell her about what...